Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today's notification shout out goes to Christina Medina. I hope I said that correctly. I hope you're feeling better, love. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Te quiero mucho. If you guys want to be part of the notification squad, all you have to do is just like this video, be subscribed, and hit that notification bell, and comment down below so that I can go through the comments, pick one of you guys, and then shout you out on my next video. So that's all you gotta do. I missed you guys so much. I feel like I've been MIA forever. Your girl got her nails done. Now I don't know how to act. But before anyone comes for me, I couldn't even say it right. Trying to like defend myself. I talk with my hands all the time. It's just gonna look more noticeable because I have like long nails now. But your girl is always grabbing the air and I don't know why. But I'll try to control it and not go like this as much. But I'm hyped. I'm so glad I'm back. I've been busy. My mama was here. She was visiting for a while. All that. Thanksgiving came along. And then me and the baby have decided to just go on this whole deep cleaning thing. And it got really, really busy. So I'm back. And I am freaking excited. I did do a nail vlog. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. I did dye my hair. I don't know if you guys noticed. But I did dye my hair and I did like a nail vlog. Let me know if that's something that you guys would like to see. I would love to do that for you. Oh my god. It's December. I just realized right now my background changed. I changed it a little bit. Like a little bit. But I didn't want to go too overboard. But I still want to switch it up and do something cute. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you guys for joining me. Today I got my Boxycharm. Oh, it's for December. Oh my god, I cannot believe we're in December. I just gotta get with it already. I feel like it's just this whole year. It's quickly. All right, so let's open it. This was sent to me by Boxycharm, so shout out to Boxycharm. Even though it was sent to me, I'm always going to be 100% with you guys if I did not like something, or if I'm like, always. You guys are always my number one. You guys always come first. So this is Bubbles and Glitz. Yeah. First thing I see in here is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Ooh, it has kombucha glow moisturizer for all skin types. Kombucha, ginger, and probiotic. Brightens, nourishes, and hydrates. Hell yeah. Lightweight multi-use formula leaves the skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. That looks really cute. I know it looks pretty simple, but that looks cute. I feel like sometimes simple is just it, but it can't be too simple, you know what I mean? Because at the same time, packaging sells. Like packaging, I'm always talking about Too Faced packaging. It sells, but sometimes if they hit it right on the simple, it looks cute. Next thing in here I see is the Luxie. Did you see how I looked at the thing? Oh my god. This is the Luxie Iconic Set. How freaking cute. We've had Luxie and Boxycharm before and it never fails. They are freaking amazing. This goes for $45. What's the first step of achieving the perfect smoky eye, cut crease, or bold cat eye? Yeah. This really has everything in there that you're gonna possibly need. So I'm excited. I'm glad we got some brushes in there. This, okay, I'm obsessed with Mac Daddy. He is gorgeous. And I got his palette. I got his palette. This is the Artist Couture Caliente palette. This goes for $30. Turn up the heat and get ready to feel Caliente's fantasy. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics, and 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. This is beautiful. You guys know this is like right up my lane, so you know I'm gonna... And I'm glad that we got brushes with it. Oh yeah. Then we got the Viseart Professional Makeup Paris. This is the Seamless Eye Primer. I don't own anything Viseart, so I feel a little like fancy because she's expensive. This is $24. So I am excited to try this primer out. It says it's a crease-free eye primer. Now, I really like my primers to have some color, so I'm hoping this is not like, oh my gosh, it's clear. I hate clear eye primers. Like, what? Why? Like, I don't know why. Like, it just makes me feel like I can just put on my primer on my eyelids, and it's like, wouldn't it do the same thing, you know? But I'll give it a go. It does seem like it Nope, it's because I was ashy. I was gonna say, it does look like it does pop, but it's because I'm ashy, so it hydrated the back of my hand. Anyways, okay, so we got that. And then last but not least, this is the Ofra Banana Powder Brightening and Setting Powder. I did give my mama mine, so I'm glad I got one in here. Yeah. The Innovate Matte Powder is lightly banana scented and, ooh, what? Oh my god, it is. Used to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer, foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. Okay, so she can do everything pretty much. So this is what we're going to be using today. I am excited. We are going to be doing our makeup. I can't wait. You guys see my sports bra? How do you not have your sports bra show? I'm excited. I can't wait to play around and create something. So let's get started. Okay, I'm kind of nervous because I'm like, these are colors I always use. But let's switch it up. Well, I can't even say let's switch it up because we're going to use this palette. But I'm going to, I don't know. We'll see. All right, so let's go in and let's use the Busy Arts primer. Give it a chance, Alexis. I really just, I'm like, nah. I don't know. I'm a creature of old habit. Like when I like something, I don't really like to swish it up. All right, but let's go in and add this. Ooh, is it kind of giving color as I blend it? Kinda, huh? Like, look. Okay, it did give me some color. Like as you move, like work it in, it gives you some color. It oxidizes, I guess you want to say. Now we got our brushes, our Luxie brushes. I'm like picturing what I'm thinking. Let's go in with the purple one right here, and I'm using the small tapered blending brush, and let's just work that beautiful color in there. Nice. And oh, okay, you are not playing with pigmentation. I don't know what I thought. Holy, you're going dramatic today. Okay, we're just gonna add that in there and just buff circular motion. So I'm just gonna go very lightly and just tap motions. This primer is like kind of like, I don't know, like the color's just sticking to it, so I have to just kind of like blend. See, not bad. I'm just not used to this primer because I'm used to like concealers and stuff, so it has a different consistency. Look at me trying to give myself excuses. Just kidding. But no, it's definitely different. Take your time. I feel like some of us sometimes think that when we apply a look that it's just supposed to be like boom, 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 boom. And sometimes looks can be like that, but we have to be patient as well because it ain't a hot pocket. You can't just, and it's done. Can't hot pocket your eye. You gotta be patient. So just keep blending it. All right, I am gonna go in with another brush of mine. I am gonna go in with my LA Girl 202 brush. I am going to pick up some of this peach tone color right here, and we're going to just lightly add this in our crease area and blend that with that. So we're just gonna just lightly add it in there, bring it up right there, bring it down, bring it around time, and I'm gonna add some right here in my crease as well. Okay, so now we have both those marinated. They did cute together. I do want to go in with this darker shade right here, right above, right below that really pretty hot pink we put down. Same brush that we used to apply the first one, and I'm just going to add this in there as well. It is so pretty and so vibrant. It's freaking nuts. Okay, I'm gonna go back with my LA Girl 202 brush. That's what this Luxie kit is missing, is a big ass fluffy brush, and it would have been perfect, but it didn't have it, but it's okay. This is killing it. Look at that. Look at that. That is gorge. Like, oh my god. Let's pick up the Luxie large shader And we are going to use this peach shade right here. And we're gonna add it right there. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. Like, that is, oh my god, tripping me out. I shouldn't have talked so much smack on the eye primer because I honestly think it's like gripping the shades very nicely. Like after playing with it a little bit more, I'm like, okay, I see, okay. Now let's go in with this yellow, and I will be using the Luxie pencil, and we're just going to just smack that right there. That's cute. That's cute. It's just, and let's go in with this shade right here. Add it underneath the brow bone. Yes. Do you guys see that? Let's go in with the pointed brush again, and let's grab this color. I want to play with all the colors. Right here. And I'm going to add it right on top of this color that we have right here. Oh my goodness, that is pretty. Like, it gives us like a pretty sparkle, you know? Let's not cover the whole lid, but let's just give a little bit of something. You notice I didn't touch the brown, surprisingly. So I'm gonna use this as my guideline. And we are going to create a wing. Oh my gosh. I broke my freaking eyeliner. Concentrate. Now my freaking eyeliner just looks like it got to like a big ass head. I should add glitter. I'm gonna brush on some of my lash glue. I'm actually really happy with how it came out. It just like, every time I play with this color like this, it reminds me of Selena's. Ay, pendeja estúpido, that freaking hurt. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some mascara so that when we apply our falsies, they can mesh well. I really love how the glitter looks. Like, look. Like, it just looks so nice, and like it just catches the lights really good. Just like, I am going to go in with the Element Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. It looks so cute, like how it is and stuff. Let's see. Oh, it says you can use this as highlighter, or you can use this as primer. I'm going to use this as my primer. I'm gonna use my big ass Makeup Shack T1, and I'm just going to just work this in my skin, and this is going to be my primer. Ooh, it definitely leaves your skin looking glowy. It smells good too. Like, it smells really good. So that's the primer. Looks pretty alright. Like, I'm not mad at it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation, and this one is in T20, which is Soft Honey. So now I'm done with my base, and I'm going to go in with my under eye. Let's go in with Robert E. Christie's eyeliner. She had her baby. I was like, oh. I feel like a Thea online. Now we're gonna go in with Robert E. Christie. This is the Cream Gel Liner. This is the yellow one, and we're going to add that. No! And I'm going to add this to my bottom lash line. Every time I see the packaging, I'm such. Let's go in with the peach, and I will be using a Makeup Shack T60, and we're going to add this to the bottom lash line. Blend that in there very nicely. I feel like my eyes look like a starburst. All right, now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this one, just a little bit at the edge. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that yellow and just kind of bring it back. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fruit Fetish Make It Last. This is the Kiwi Watermelon. This is bomb. This is a freaking bomb. Mascara, I'm going to be applying with the flake. So now everything is done. All done. So what I have to say about December's box, I freaking loved it. I feel like this is the star of the show. Honestly, the freaking pigmentation on the palette was amazing. I'm so glad that I did go in with the glitter. I feel like it definitely made the eye look pop even more. And my daughter wanted me to do blue, and we picked the pink glitter from Wet n Wild, and it's so funny that it just happened to turn blue. Anyways, I feel like this was, oh my God. I hope everyone got it. It is such a pretty palette. He did amazing on it. Love it. I love the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I love it. I love how it just gave me that, like, that really nice glow. You can definitely add it on top, but like I said, sometimes I like going in with a highlighter and sometimes I'm like, no, it's okay. And I feel like since I did apply this underneath, I'm okay to like skip on it, you know what I mean? The eyeshadow primer, I do have to say I was really impressed with it just because like how the eyeshadow did stick to it. So I take it back. I was like, no, 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 no. I'm actually very, very happy with it. I didn't use the Ofra Cosmetics powdered, but I have played with it before. It is amazing. I love it very, very much. And last but not least is the brushes. You can never go wrong having more brushes in your collection. I love the brushes. I feel like I used every single one besides one. This one I didn't use. This one I'm probably going to use to carve out my brows. This one is the small shader brush. It's just really nice. And I love how it's just like, look at, it's a perfect size. So I'm going to put it right here for me to use for that. But yeah, I used every single one. This one for crease, to add on my lid. Pencil, I feel like this one I used a lot. And then this one right here to add my glitter. So yeah, so I really enjoyed the box. Let me know what you guys got in yours, if you guys are signed up with Boxycharm. If you are not, I do have my own special link down below. You guys do not have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think about the box. Did you guys love it? Did you guys hate it? What are your thoughts and opinions about it? Let me know down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. I love you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.